Okay, progress update. I'm not going to number it because I'm too lazy. Anyway, this is the layout now. It's a double loop with a passover and figure 8. I've wired up all the signals. This one works and that one over there works, and also this old coal tower works. Unfortunately, the gantry signal, I can't get it to work because it can't take the voltage very well. Don't have any resistors or anything like that, but all the track works. I'm going to demonstrate it right now by powering up the engine that I've got over there. Sorry for the lawnmower in the background, I don't know who's doing that. And Kevin's up here watching. Say hi. He helped me get the base built for this thing, so hooray. Alrighty, let's go. Now just to show you, here's the signal, and here it is, green. Now we're gonna get this flipped over here, if I can get the switch working. Now here we go. Oops. There we go. There we go. And there we go. Now it's running on the inner loop. So yeah. Alrighty, now here's the inside loop. It's controlled by this transformer right here, so let's get it going. Now I'm just going to let it sit the coal loader for a second, and here's the other signal. Here it is, it's green, as I said before. And now I'm going to demonstrate the coal loader in action. It's full of coal already, but bottom doesn't have any. But I'm going to put a little box here in just a second and demonstrate it working. Let me get the locomotive out of the way. So here's the switch for it. Switch it one way to load, switch it the other way to unload. So here we go. And now I switch it the other way to unload. And this is a genuine one. This is no reproduction. This is original, and it works. Oh, whoops. Oh dear. Looks like the locomotive decided it wanted to play. There he goes. Oh. That's a bit strange. Huh. Okay, I just hold him there. Put that back there. And now watch as it unloads. Here's a view into the coal loader as it works. Well, I suppose you all get the point. So, until next time, I'll see you all down the rails.